So this is how I upgraded everything related with my cleaning routine, whether it's in the kitchen, whether it's in the bathroom. I'm telling you right now, I have to review this DOVETY spin scrubber that everybody's talking about it. I'm telling you, my friend, this is the reason that right now is trending in the market. And when it comes to cleaning, you want to go ahead and check it out. I would say maybe you want to do deep cleaning, whether it's in your kitchen, whether it's in your bathroom. This spin scrubber right now is trending because of this reason. I'm telling you, it's gonna bring you like 7 or 8 of this type of sponges and different type of scrubbers that I'm gonna check it out with you, my friend, so you could see how this works. And of course, as you must know, again, this is your channel that you can go ahead and subscribe right now, because I tend to review a lot of products, whether it's, you know, any type of products, kitchen, bathroom products, nutrition, and much more. And of course, this type of product, you can check it out in the description down below. And one of the things that I really love about this DOVETY spin scrubber is that you can switch the way you want it. Like I was mentioning right now in the video, it's, you know, it's showing you kind of like 7 or 8 sponges. And the type of a scrubber, I would say it can work for anything. It could be whether it's for the bathroom, whether it's for the kitchen. About to show you, I concentrated today in deep cleaning only in the bathroom. And why I'm saying this one, why I'm saying these type of sponges are the game changer, it's because this is the spin scrubber, okay, that I'm mentioning again, is electric. When you charge it, it's gonna take you kind of like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. And once it's ready to go, you don't need a cable, you know. As you must know, again, it brings you this USB charger and it's ready to go. And this is the part that I really love about this product, is that now as I'm focusing anything in the kitchen, as I'm focusing anything in the bathroom, underneath that part of the toilet, I would say, it tends to be so, I would say, so difficult sometimes, lots of bacteria. And as you must know, again, I'm gonna go all the way in there with your type of product or whatever product that you have in your bathroom. Also, it's gonna help you to go to those areas that probably they tend to be so difficult. Now I'm gonna go to the sink, whether it's, you know, the type of the walls. I can go and start putting the scrubber, and again, with your soap or product that you want to keep it, just make sure to press on and then it's ready to go. And I'm telling you, my friend, this has been so helpful. And when it comes to cleaning the bathroom, it could be a little bit boring, but I'm telling you, with this spin scrubber, you are not gonna get bored at all. So now I'm going to the corners and you will see the difference. As you can see in this area, it's all about the floor. So I put water, the product that I wanted, maybe a mix of detergent or Fabuloso or 409 and a little bit of water, and then the scrubber is ready to go. Now if you notice this, the type of scrubber, this is kind of the extra big one, I would say, because the 3 of them are specifically for getting rid of those lines, extra mold, and whatever is not helping in your bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna go and start scrubbing anywhere in those corners, and as you can see, just let the scrubber do its job. Now I'm gonna switch to the smaller, I would say the smaller type. Okay, and I really love it because it's gonna help me for this type of corners. Okay, I want to get rid of all the bacteria, those lines that are not helping in my bath. Okay, and I'm gonna focus in the space of the bath actually. So again, like I was saying, you put the product and make sure to cover that area and let it work, and it's gonna be so easy. And this is the 3rd scrubber that I really love when it comes to, again, cleaning, going for that deep cleaning in your bathroom. Okay, and I'm gonna use it for specifically the bathtub. So this could be not only for the bathroom, it could be also in the kitchen, maybe the stove area. Just gonna make sure to wash those scrubbers or whether the sponges. Okay, make sure to wash it and put some product on, and then you can reuse it back as much as you need it. I'm telling you, my friend, this whole package of the DOVETY electric spin scrubber is the game changer. Of course, you can go ahead and check it out in the description down below. Let me know in the comment section, have you heard about this spin scrubber so far? What do you think about this product?